Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. It's a lot of joy to start a new business. However, the procedure can be time-consuming and costly. Similarly, some online money-making options, such as creating your own blog or an online business, have continuing operational costs to consider. Thankfully, you have a lot of options if you are searching for a creative, low-risk approach to start a new income stream for yourself without having to start from zero. Creatives now have the means to make the most of their work and work their way up to a reasonable salary thanks to REDBUBBLE, a well-established print-on-demand marketplace. In this video, you will learn how to make money on REDBUBBLE and get a comprehensive list of suggestions to help you maximize your earnings. Keep reading to find out if REDBUBBLE is really worth it for you as an artist. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. I understand how difficult it has been for you to figure out the most efficient and effective way to make money online. I have been there, and it's frustrating when things don't work out the way we want them to. This is primarily why I am here today, making videos on YouTube and attempting to assist anyone who wishes to earn money in the same way that I do. Why? Because I understand what it's like to be frustrated. I understand what it's like to be in a financial bind. But all of that is about to change today. I am confident that if we set this up properly, we will be making good money in no time. The approach can be used by anyone from anywhere on the planet. As a result, implementing this new strategy from your current positions will be straightforward. Let's proceed to redbubble.com now with all of that mentioned. It is a free platform that allows you to sell designs online without having to talk to anyone. All you have to do is develop your design and upload it. Additionally, once you have uploaded all of your designs to our website, you will be able to print them on a variety of clothes, t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and other items right away. There are hundreds of different styles to pick from. They will, of course, aid you in selling your personalized things on their website, and your ideas may be utilized to sell anything. However, there is a catch. You will not be performing any of the design work yourself. That is why I indicated earlier that you won't need any technical knowledge for this, because we have another platform that can assist us in doing so with minimal effort. This is also why this strategy is one of the most effective ways to make money online to date. Let me now show you a couple of sticker designs and their prices. These are the typical sticker costs, as you can see here. To the naked eye, these amounts may appear insignificant. However, if a large number of people try to buy it, it will result in large sums of money being spent online. Let us move on to the t-shirt section. On their website, these are the designs that are currently trendy, and the cost varies depending on these figures. Imagine being able to sell only one shirt. That alone would be incredible. However, if you sell hundreds of your design, you will be financially independent in no time. Returning to the homepage, and before we go on to website design, let us start by figuring out how to sell our designs on REDBUBBLE. And we can do it with a single button press. Click here to sell your art, and then here to begin selling. Also, to describe the basic notion of REDBUBBLE and how we can profit from it. First and foremost, we must build items or designs. Second, with the things we have just designed, we are going to open our store. Finally, the platform will pay you. As a result of the purchases completed on your behalf, you will get the funds immediately via your preferred payment method. To proceed, we must register by supplying the required information. Assuming that's done, we will proceed to upload our designs using the offered buttons. As you can see, all you need to do is give your design a title, a few tags, and a description. If you already have designed, this is how you proceed. However, if you don't have yet designs, I will show you a site where we can acquire designs for free. Let us go to canva.com to get started. You can make any design you can think of on this platform. We will be able to make money on REDBUBBLE by using this website. Furthermore, this platform includes a large number of ready-to-use templates that you may utilize to create your own unique designs. The best part is that it is completely free. You will not have to pay a dime if you come on here and design something. To get started, click this button right here to sign up. This page will then ask you to fill out all of the required information in order to properly register your account. You can even link your Facebook and Google account here to speed up the registration process. Now we are on the registration page. It is possible that your name, personal email address, and password will be required. After you have finished filling things, simply place them in this box and you are ready to go. After logging in, you will be taken to their dashboard where you can experiment with different designs. But before we start designing, let us figure out how big the image we are going to develop is going to be. Now for the graphic size that will meet Redbubble's requirements, we can do so by clicking here to build a design and then going here to resize. These boxes will appear and you will just enter 3,873 for the width and 4,814 for the height as seen here. After you have entered your information, you will be taken to this workspace where you can create whatever you want. You may then select from a wide range of backgrounds, effects, graphics, and shapes, as well as add text to your designs. You can basically do anything with your design with no effort at all. Simply drag and drop anything onto your desired design. So now it is up to you to develop your stuff. After you have completed your creation, you can save it to your computer and then upload it to redbubble.com. After uploading, all you have to do now is enter the title of the work and a few tags in the design's short description. So now that we have completed a design, it is downloading. Let us concentrate on publicizing your store. This is where our third platform enters the picture. Let's take a look at Pinterest.com. Pinterest is similar to Facebook in this regard. It is also a social media platform where you can connect with people who share your interests. Pinterest is a well-known website that has been around for a long time. And we can almost promise that someone will click on your design product and buy it when you put it here. Now to proceed. Let us register you an account, and to do that, let us click here. After clicking that, you just provide the necessary details and then you will have your account in an instant. If you have your account, you can now upload pins on Pinterest with your design t-shirts as the display photo. You just have to link your products on the pin so that if someone is interested in buying them, they will just click on it to be redirected to the Redbubble page. You just have to wait for the money to come into your account. I am pretty sure that people will buy your design shirts because they were customized and made by you. I also forgot to mention that this platform is also like Quora, where you can search for different kinds of posts in line with the niche that you prefer on those posts. You can then just post your store link, and then many people will be swarming to your store with orders. Also, make sure to include a lot of hashtags to your post that are related to your niche so that a wide variety of networks and people can see them. Overall, this is really good for beginners to make money off. You just have to facilitate the design mix that, by the way, is done for you on Canva, and you will just advertise your Redbubble links on Pinterest.com or any social media platform that you prefer. So that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.